We will begin our learning of TOEFL speaking section from today. In Lesson 1, we'll cover the content from 4 aspects. First, we'll go over the speaking section. The TOEFL speaking test is taken online via computer with 6 tasks. Test takers will be required to use a headset with a microphone when you listen to the spoken questions, passages, or conversations. You will have 15 to 30 seconds to prepare your answers, and 45 or 60 seconds to speak, depends by the different requirements of the task. Responses will be recorded and sent to the authority for grading. Both Task 1 and 2 are independent questions, which means you will introduce your own experience for the given topic. You will have 15 seconds to prepare after you heard the question. The difference is Task 1 is free choice and Task 2 will let you argue one from 2 opinions. Task 3 to 6 are integrated tasks. For Task 3 and 4, you will be required to first read a short passage, next listen to a conversation or lecture, then have 30 seconds to prepare your answers. Afterward, speak your answers within 60 seconds. For Task 5 and 6, you will be required to listen to a conversation or lecture, prepare your answers for 20 seconds, then respond within 60 seconds. We will introduce each one of them in detail in our following lessons. Now, let's take a look at the grading standard. You know TOEFL have 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. The total points for each section is 30 points. In total, 120 scores. The sample score looks like this. And when you click How to Interpret Scores, you will find the detailed information of each section. Under Speaking, there will be 4 levels. Good is the highest level, which you will get 3.5 to 4 points for each task. Fire is the second level for 2.5 to 3 points. When you get limited level, you will get 1.5 to 2 points for that task, and 0 to 1 point for weak responses. Here's the rubric, which comes from the ETS official website. It looks like very complicated, but you can see the grading authority will grade from the following 4 criteria for each speaking task, which are general description, delivery, language use, and topic development. Each criterion has several levels, from 4 points to 1 point, which could be also understood as good, fair, limited, and weak. Please pay attention to the yellow highlighted parts. If test takers rely too much on practice or formulaic expressions, the graders will give low level to these kind of responses. We will interpret the rubric in detail in our further lessons. TOEFL speaking is not an easy task. You will need to speak 80 to 100 words in 45 seconds. Practice makes perfect. Every day, you'd better spend 1.5 hours to 2 hours to practice. What to practice? We will provide some related topics to you in each lesson. You will need to use your own experience or stories and build into this template structure. You will always begin with a topic sentence, then support your view with 2 evidences including details. Finally, conclude your point of view. We do not recommend you remember others' examples. Remember the low-level grading we mentioned in rubric? but you're always encouraged to draw inferences from instances of your own and expand to other topics. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next week.